Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to connect AliExpress to TikTok Shop. So you want to have a dropshipping plugin because TikTok Shop doesn't connect to AliExpress by itself. So the best option for you will be Deezers. So your first step is to install Deezers and connect it to your TikTok Shop. Then go to Deezers dashboard, create free account, and link both TikTok Shop account and your AliExpress account. Once everything is connected, you can start importing products. So go to AliExpress, find the product that you want to sell, and use Deezers Chrome extension to add it directly to your Deezers account. Inside Deezers, you can edit the product title, description, images, and set your own prices for TikTok Shop. And finally, when you are ready, push the product from Deezers to your TikTok Shop and it will appear live in your TikTok Shop. From that point, Deezers automates your orders. So that means when someone makes an order in your TikTok Shop, Deezers places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in the customer's shipping details, and provides tracking information. You don't need to handle inventory or shipping yourself because everything is managed automatically between AliExpress, Deezers, and TikTok. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.